Alright, hey guys, welcome to new system test 3 or something, or 4. I keep forgetting. It's probably 3, but you'll see when I upload it. Anyway, we got the same setup. Nothing really changed, and it won't change for a little bit. But this is here, nothing's connected to it though. It's got the voice module, it's connected to terminals. This is a relay module, but that's obviously not hooked up yet. And, yeah, there's no tape on that, by the way, so, yeah. Alright. So, I'm gonna start off with this one. It's gonna be loud. 3, 2, 1. Ouch. Yeah, so, I don't know. I think I programmed it wrong or something, but this is supposed to say FACP Pulse Station. I'll change that afterwards, but my gosh, is that loud. I guess I'll test the smoke detector now, and then make sure I don't lose my key. Set it right there. Oh! Smoke detector tester. Yep, here we go. Gosh. Tape really makes a difference. FACP smoke detector. So if it goes off again, I know how to recalibrate it. We're also going to be doing the supervisory tests right after this. I can't test that heat detector because, yeah, I don't have a heat gun. 3, 2, 1. That is loud. So let me just recalibrate the detector real quick. Ooh, can't show the password. Alright, activate restore. I don't think it's in this. Yeah, it's not on this part. So, device maintenance, all devices. Yes, all devices. FACP. Oh, yeah. Where is it at? Oh, system status, maybe. No, I forgot how to do it. Dang it. Maybe it's under other. Nah. Yeah, I can't recalibrate it. I keep forgetting how to do it. Maybe it's an internal status. Oh, well, here's the power coming in. Drawing 122. Device details. No, that's not it. Diagnostics! Yes! No, that's not it either. Or is it? No. Dang it. Oh, yes! I found it! Calibrate device. Yes. You gonna do it? I don't know. So I'll reset the system if it goes off again. So right now, it's still blinking red. I know it's gonna go off again. I have a feeling it will. Oh. Okay. I think. Yeah, it's flashing green. Great. Alright, I don't need that key anymore. Basically, the only thing flashing is gonna be that alert strobe. 3, 2. Oh, wait, no. I forgot. That doesn't work. See if you can see it flash red in there. Did it flash? Well, I'm not gonna wait for it. Yeah, just the alert strobe. Not very, well, kind of bright. But yeah. Flashing amber. I can't. Can I unsilence the ping? No. Alright, let me make sure I reset the switch inside because... Yeah, I did. Let's just look at this one more time, see if it actually blinks on... Yep, there. You might have saw it, you might have not saw it. Reset. Oh, yeah, it's not me. Hi. Alright, and we are all set. So, yeah, that pretty much concludes the test for today, and this week, or next week, or something. But that's the test for this month. I'll see you next month with a new not inspection, but testing video of this system. Maybe, just maybe, I'll have this all hooked up in a speaker for alert or something. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. This video is really long, and see you.